This is one of my deck plans. Machamp, Houndoom, Yveltal, Machamp, the one that Johnny Beast gave me, Karina, Mountain Ring, Startling Megaphone, Evo Soda, Energy Search, Skyla, Switch, Pokemon Communication, Professor's Letter, Roller Skates, Professor's Letter, Roller Skates, Pokemon Central Lady, Pokemon Fan Club, Energy Retrieval, Snorlax, Tornadus, Pangoro, Scrafty, Scraggy, Houndour, Sandile, Krokorok, Crocodile, Mienshao, Mienfoo, a different Mienfoo, Pancham, Machoke, Machop, Makuita, Hariyama, Dark Energy, Shadow Circle, and then the rest are energies. Okay, you can make that deck if you want. I think it's a pretty good deck. Okay. Thanks for watching.